Second nurse, please. Second nurse, please. Second nurse. Second nurse.
Second nurse.
Sorry, what's it?
Shoulder dystocia. Nick Roberts now.
Okay.
I'm gonna check.
Ready, Carmen? Okay.
Okay, come on.
3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in. Let's go get. These are good examples of arms. I did a good pull. Now we're going to need a lot.
It's okay, man. It's okay. No, press it, press it. Press it. No, no, this one. Oh. Press it. Number 3. Number 3. No, this one. Go.
Oh, you're so bogey naman on your face mask. Take your blood pressure first. It's a baby, okay? You're having a contraction? Okay, we'll wait. Yeah, I'm speaking to
So, ito. Nandito na naman tayo. Baby number 2. Hopefully, lalabas na ngayon. Actually, overdue na siya. Yung due date niya is November 24. December 1 ngayon. Kaya, sana, ayun, nagkaka-contraction na si Za. Feeling niya lalabas na siya ngayon. Sobrang sakit na ng pakiramdam niya. Kaya sana lalabas na si Kali. No, baby?
Oh, mommy. Mommy.
How's the pain, mommy?
11.
11. Masakit. What's the difference dun sa una at saka ngayon? Mas masakit ngayon. Kaya mo yan?
This is how far. Alright, we go to 19.
Jade? Behave ka dun ha. Wait mo kami ni Mami, okay? Okay. Ha? Uwi din kami ni Mami ha. Pag uwi namin, nandun na si Baby Kali. Okay? Ihatid ko muna tong batang to dahil sinabihan ako ng nurse na kailangan ako ng asawa ko. Kasi hindi naman pwede dun si Zaid. Bawal. Kaya ihatid ko muna siya sa bahay. Ang kagandahan, yung dalawa kong pamangkin nasa bahay sila, sakto walang pasok ngayon. Kaya sila muna yung mag-alaga kay Zaid. Parating na rin naman si ate in 1 hour. Nag-aral kasi siya. Mukhang in an hour, in 2 hours, anytime manganganak na si Za. Okay, bye-bye. Ikaw nang bala ha. Huwag yung pabayaan ha. What? Work lang. Work lang si Daddy. Ha? Exactly 12 PM. Nag-start yung contraction ni siya is 7 AM. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 hours na siyang nagle-labor. So anytime daw manganganak na siya, pero sakit na yung pakiramdam niya. Pangalawa na namin to, pero this time sabi niya mas masakit daw, kaya nag-request siya for epidural.
This is not your first baby, hey? Second baby? Second baby. How old's your first child?
2.
2, nice. Did you have an epidural with your first baby?
No, I didn't.
Okay. How many weeks are you now?
Actually 41 weeks.
Been a healthy pregnancy?
Yeah.
No high blood pressure? No diabetes? No abnormal bleeding?
No.
Dad, what's your name?
Tyrone.
Tyrone.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Here's the important part. Risks are chance of back pain from having a needle stuck in your back. Same as if I stick a needle in your arm, your leg, like when you get an immunization, can hurt for a couple days afterwards. 1% chance of getting a headache from it. Very rare chance of nerve damage, paralysis, or infection, okay? Chance of something bad like that, 1 in 200,000. Understand?
Yeah.
Want me to go ahead and do it?
Sure.
Okay. I'm just going to feel your back here now in a sec.
Yeah, we should have a contraction here. Try and deep breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Once you breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out. Try and drop the shoulders. You got it. Breathe in.
Shoulder.
Breathe out. Breathe in. You can squeeze your husband's hand if you want to.
No pressure with my fingernail here while you're having that contraction. All right, so let your shoulders relax.
Shoulders strong.
Very still now. No pressure coming up here in your back. Do not move, okay? Whatever you do, don't move. So now, I've done the easy part here. Tyrone, I need you to do the most critical part here in a second, Tyrone.
You need to do that?
Yeah, no, I need you to put your finger right here. Right? No, you got it?
Just to hold it down.
You got it?
Is it?
Yeah, don't let it go.
Okay.
Actually, if you can get on her right side, is that okay?
Too
for
late.
you? Oh.
A, too late. B, doesn't matter because the tubing from the epidural pump so long,
Oh yeah, it can go anywhere.
easily reaches.
Good points.
Feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah. What does it feel like? Cold, right? Yeah, that's why they call it freezing.
In your spinal?
Feels epidural. Walking in Winter Wonderland, that's what it was.
Oh, yeah.
You wouldn't know that, you're too young.
Oh no.
Those Christmas classics
That's a
from
classic. We sang that when I was in elementary
Really?
school. Yeah.
Walking in a Winter Wonderland. I'm just going to put a little more tape on here, then we're going to get you to lie down. Those straps back on.
Get the blood pressure. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the way, that's the way.
Second nurse, please. Second nurse, please. Second nurse. Second nurse.
Second nurse.
Okay.
Sorry, what's it? Shoulder dystocia. Nick Roberts now.
Okay.
Okay.
You ready, Carmen? Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2.
Thank you, thank you. Okay. There you go. Got it. Oh, okay, baby. Okay.
Oh, hey, baby got really, really cold. Oh, he's a good example of arms. I did a good hold. All right, honey.
We were going to big
He's very thin.
Congratulations.
Thank you, everyone.
You did it. And Nick told me.
Oh, hi, baby.
I had to help baby with the delivery with a little bit of pressure on the arm, so the pediatrician will take a look at that. Very good team here.
Thank you, guys. I'll take the scissors, Dad. Thank you.
Kali.
We really weren't seeing hair.
Hi. Tea. Milk. Chocolate milk.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you so much. Okay. Let's go. Eto. Sinundo ko na si Zaid kasi umiyak na siya. Uwi rin kami ngayon. Kaya eto. Tignan natin yung reaction niya. Yung unang kita niya sa kapatid niya. Nak, are you excited to see your sister? Baby sister? Ha? Okay? Wala pa siya sa tamang pag-iisip. Kasi first time niyang gumising na wala kami sa tabi niya.
Okay guys, ngayon mamimit ni Zaid si Kali. Are you excited to meet Kuya Zaid? Huh?
Mommy?
Who's this? Who's that? Who's that? Baby Kali. Yay! Oh, kiss baby Kali. Wow naman! You say, I love you, Kali.
Oh, hair.
Yeah, that's her hair.
Hair. Look at hair.
Close your eyes! Wala pa! Oh, wait lang.
Zaid only daw, Daddy.
Oh, close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Wala pa. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open! Wow!
Are you open it?
You open na, dali.
Wow, he knows how to open gifts now. What's that?
You want me to help you?
What's that? Kali gave that to you, okay?
Yeah. Kali gave this to you.
Kali.
Oh, bigay.
Kali
Ano
has
sasabihin mo kay
surprise.
Kali? Ano sasabihin mo kay Kali? Kali.
I say, love you so much, Kali. Wow.
Wow, hammer.
Wrench. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, you wear your best first.
We're your best first.
O, baba ka. Call Alan?
Oh, Alan? Nakabakasyon si Tito Alan?
Si Ninong Ray.
Oh, see? Busy na yung anak namin. Ito nga po pala ang aming pinakamagandang anak na si...
Charina.
Anong pangalan niya, Mami?
Tyra Kali.
Yes. Meet my daughter, Tyra Kali de Guzman. O habang na-busy si Zaid, ayun, share lang namin. Successful naman yung naging paglabas ni Kali. Pero, nagkaroon ng emergency. Kahit kami, medyo,
Na-shock.
na-shock din ako eh. Kahit si Za, napaiyak nga siya nung habang nilalabas si Kali. Na-stuck pala siya. Yung shoulder niya na-stuck sa loob.
Oo.
So, talagang...
Kasi may, nung ang kaninang madaling araw, di ba? Habang binabantayan ko si Kali. Tapos sinerch ko kung ano yung, usually parang 1% lang yata nangyayari yun. Parang sa Pilipinas kasi ang daming incident na ganun na na-stuck yung shoulder. Tapos di nila alam na napuputol yung yung ulo. Kaya,
Pero alam nyo, kagandahan dito, hindi nila sasabihin sa inyo na may problema. Hindi rin namin alam kung anong gagawin namin kung sabihin nila na may problema, 'di ba? Napakakalmante lang nila. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo na may mali. Kaya nung nailabas na si Kali, ayun, sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako.
tsaka magugulat ka talaga, dumating lahat sila eh. No?
Ha?
Magugulat ka
Oo.
talaga, dumating lahat sila.
Ay.
Who's that?
Who's that? Hello. Commercial. May dumating na pagkain. Ayun, yung experience din namin dito sa hospital, same. Maganda pa rin. Tutok na tutok sila, hindi nila pinabayaan siya from start to finish.
Lalo na yung nurse ko, si Fion.
Oh, si Fion. Kaya, yun lang, no? I-share ko lang ulit na napaka ginhawa talaga dito sa Canada. Kasi, unang-una, libre lahat. 'Di ba? Pagpasok mo, ipakita mo lang yung ID mo. Then, that's it. From start to finish, uwi na kami mamaya, wala kami babayaran. Kaya, napakasaya lang. Kasi, sa atin kasi, 'di ba, pagpasok mo pa lang sa ospital, manlalambot ka na kasi
parang di pa malala yung sakit mo, parang lalala na pagpapasok.
Oh, at least yung iniisip ko lang kanina, si Za at saka si Kali.
May to open it?
Open it, no? Yun, hindi mo na iniisip yung bills. Hindi nakasama sa stress mo. Who gave you that? No, Kali. Galing mo talaga. Nasaan na ba ako kanina? Nalobat ako pasensya na. O yung nabanggit ko nga kanina, ewan ko kung nakuha yun sa video. Kasi yung sinasabi ko, yung ang dami kong nakikitang meme or ginagawang katatawanan or minsan siniseryoso kasi nga daw Canada is a scam. Siguro hindi ko naman nilalahat. Siguro sa iba hindi talaga para sa kanila. Ewan ko ba. Kasi tulad nito yung share namin yung experience namin sa inyo yung paano nanganak si Za, Kasi yung iba, yung nirereklamo nila, yung libre nga daw, maghihintay ka naman, ganyan. Kasi yung sa medical, yung medical system daw ng Canada, hindi daw maganda. Pero siguro ako, pangilang experience ko na to, pangatlo, yung unang panganganak ni Za, tapos ako na operahan ako ng appendix. Tapos ito, pangatlo, yung panganganak ulit ni Za. Siguro, yung naranasan nila, yung sinasabi nilang yung pila, mahaba. Naranasan ko yun yung dun sa pag ano ko, yung na-operahan ako sa appendix. So, ayun, yung talagang sobrang sakit na talaga. Pero, hindi ka pa nila tinitignan. Kasi yung time ko, meron kasing nagka-heart attack. Syempre, mas ano nga yun, 'di ba? Kaysa iuna pa nila ako, mas uunahin nila yung yung mas critical, mas malala. Pero sobrang sakit na talaga yung pakiramdam ko noon. Nakala ko parang yung sakit parang magi-give up ka na. Yun siguro yung isa sa mga nirereklamo nila kasi sobrang sakit na tapos hindi ka pa nila pinapansin. Nangyayari talaga, pero kasi alam naman kasi nila kung ano yung priority. Siyempre, libre nga 'di ba? Pero after nun talagang na-realize ko, okay naman pala Kasi basta alam nila na gagaling ka. Kaya sa mga nagsasabing Canada is a scam, siguro maintindihan ko kayo kasi iba-ibang sitwasyon naman yan Baka yung naranasan nyo, iba sa naranasan namin. Pero so far, yung experience ko namin ng asawa ko dito sa Canada, double thumbs up.